Ever wondered how to make the traditional Indian dessert Paal Payasam? Originating from the vibrant cultures of South India, this delicacy is a staple in festivities and special occasions. Imagine a dessert that's creamy and rich, concocted from simple ingredients like rice, milk, sugar, and the aromatic cardamom. Picture it garnished with crunchy nuts and sweet raisins, a dessert that can be enjoyed warm or cold. Today, you'll learn how to create this delightful dessert right in your own kitchen. Before we dive into the cooking process, make sure you have all the necessary ingredients ready. First up, you'll need a quarter cup of short grain rice. Next, you'll need 4 cups of full-fat milk. Make sure it's nice and fresh. For sweetness, we're adding half a cup of sugar. And to elevate the flavors, we'll use 3 green cardamom pods crushed. To garnish, keep some assorted nuts and raisins handy. Remember, precision is key in cooking, so ensure you measure these ingredients accurately. Now with all the ingredients in place, we are ready to start cooking. The beauty of Paal Payasam lies in its simplicity. The cooking process is straightforward yet requires a bit of patience. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, you'll want to wash the rice. This is an important step as it removes any impurities and excess starch. Make sure you rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Next, we move on to the heart of the recipe, boiling the rice in milk. This is where your patience comes into play. You'll want to simmer the rice and milk together on a low flame, stirring continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. This process might take a while, but trust me, it's worth the wait. As the rice cooks, it will absorb the milk, becoming soft and creamy. This is the texture we're aiming for. Once the rice is perfectly cooked, it's time to add in the sugar and cardamom. Sugar for that sweet touch, and cardamom for a hint of spice that perfectly complements the creaminess of the dish. Stir well, making sure the sugar dissolves completely. Now, for the final touch, the garnishing. Sprinkle some chopped nuts and raisins over your Paal Payasam. The nuts add a delightful crunch, and the raisins a burst of sweetness. And there you have it, a bowl of creamy, delicious Paal Payasam. Serve it hot or cold as per your preference. So that's how you make the traditional Indian dessert, Paal Payasam. This delightful dish, with its creamy texture and sweet flavor, is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. The ingredients are basic: rice, milk, sugar, and cardamom. But the result is a dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a festival, a dinner party, or a quiet evening at home, Paal Payasam is always a hit. So why not give it a try? Remember, the magic is in the process. Cooking the rice in milk until it's soft and creamy, adding just the right amount of sugar, and finishing off with a sprinkle of cardamom. Please don't forget to subscribe to braininputs. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Click the bell icon for notifications on upcoming videos. Thank you.